statistics is required to understand the input data set. Data types, discrete and continuous numerical data. These data have meaning as a measurement, such as a person's height, weight, temperature. Continuous data represent measurements. For example, temperature is a continuous data. Discrete data represent items that can be counted, for example, number of cars sold in this month. Boolean data is a discrete data that can be in only one of two categories, either yes or no, 1 or 0, off or on, etc. Categorical data. Categorical data represent characteristics such as a person's gender, marital status. Ordinal data mixes numerical and categorical data. The data fall into categories, but the numbers placed on the categories have meaning. For example, rating a restaurant on a scale from 0, lowest, to the 4 highest stars. Categorical is essentially several booleans that are grouped by some logic. For example, color can be green, blue or red. This is categorical data, whereas boolean data can be is green, yes or no, is blue, yes or no, is red, yes or no. Sometimes we may require to convert from categorical to boolean. There are two different kind of measurements. Euclidean distance, it is called as L2 distance. The formula is given. It is an accurate measurement of distance, but computation involves a square term and a square root. Next one is Manhattan distance. It is called as L1 distance. It is an approximate calculation, but it is easy to calculate. Correlation. Correlation is a statistical relationship between two variables. Usually it is linear. Pearson correlation. A Pearson correlation is a number between -1 and 1 that indicates the extent to which two variables are linearly related. The variables are continuous, not categorical. The formula basically comes down to dividing the covariance by the product of the standard deviations. Covariance indicates how two variables are related. The standard deviation is a measure of how spread out numbers are. A correlation of 0 means that two variables don't have any linear relation. A correlation coefficient of 1 means that two variables are perfectly, positively, linearly related. A correlation of -1 indicates that the two variables are perfectly, negatively, linearly related. We'll see mean, median and mode. Mean is the average number found by adding all data points and dividing by the number of data points. Median is the middle number found by ordering all data points and picking out the one in the middle. Mode is the most frequent number, that is the number that occurs the highest number of times. A symmetric distribution is a type of distribution where left side of the distribution mirrors the right side. The normal distribution is symmetric. It is also a unimodal distribution having one peak. The mean, median and mode of the normal distribution coincide. The bimodal distribution has two peaks. The uniform distribution is with no peak and no mode exists. A distribution is said to be skewed when the data points cluster more toward one side of the scale than the other. A distribution is positively skewed if the scores fall toward the lower side of the scale and there are very few higher scores. A distribution is negatively skewed if the scores fall toward the higher side of the scale and there are very few lower scores. Normalization and standardization are two different terms used frequently. Normalization usually means to scale a variable to have a value between 0 and 1. Standardization transforms data to have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Skewness and kurtosis. What is skewness? Skewness is a measure of asymmetry of the probability distribution. Kurtosis is the degree of weakness of a distribution relative to a normal distribution. There are different kind of kurtosis. These are all the general forms of kurtosis. This is skewed. Common continuous distributions. The normal distribution or Gaussian distribution is symmetry about its mean. It's a bell-shaped curve. The fatness of the bell depends on its standard deviation. The distance of a value from the mean measured in standard deviations. The z-score is the measure of standardization. A log normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution of a random variable whose logarithm is normally distributed. A random variable which is log normally distributed takes only positive real values. These values are independent and identically distributed, that is IID variables. Student's t distribution is a family of distributions that look almost identical to the normal distribution curve, only a bit shorter and fatter. The t distribution is used instead of the normal distribution when you have small samples. Then chi-square distribution or x-square distribution is the distribution of the sum of squared standard normal deviations. It is used for goodness of fit test and estimating the variance. Common discrete distributions. Bernoulli distribution is a discrete probability distribution of a Bernoulli trail, a random experiment that has only two outcomes, usually called a success or a failure. A binomial distribution can be thought of as simply as the probability of success or failure outcome in an experiment or survey that is repeated multiple times. Multinomial distribution is used to find probabilities in the experiments where there are more than two outcomes. The Poisson distribution is the distribution of the number of events occurring in a given time period. Given the average number of times the event occurs over that time period. QQ plot. The quantile QQ plot is a graphical technique for determining if two data sets come from populations with a common distribution. A 45-degree reference line is also plotted if the two sets come from a population with the same distribution. The points should fall approximately along this reference line. The greater the departure from the reference line, the greater the evidence for the conclusion that the two data sets have come from populations with different distributions. Outliers. How outliers can be defined? An outlier is an observation that lies on abnormal distance from other values in a random sample from a population. Box plot is a useful graphical display for describing the behavior of the data in the middle as well as at the end of the distribution.